Hi guys, welcome back to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. If you love mangoes and also happen to love cheesecake, this mango cheesecake in Instant Pot will blow your mind. I'm doing this cake for my birthday. I love mango flavored everything, and that too, this Instant Pot mango cheesecake is so delicious. If you have never made an Instant Pot cheesecake recipe before, let this mango cheesecake recipe be the one to bring you into the Instant Pot dessert bliss. Truly, nothing makes a cheesecake like the Instant Pot. Few reasons why cheesecake in the Instant Pot is best, like consistent cook time, lighter texture with delicate flavors, no need for water bath, actual cook time is shorter than the oven, no need to pre-bake the crust. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for tasty and easy video recipes. Let's check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box later. Let's get started. First step is to make a crust. I'm using a Digestive Biscuits. You can use any crackers or wafers. If you want a gluten-free version, make the crust with pistachios and cardamom. In a food processor or blender, pulse the biscuits or crackers a few times until small crumbles form. I use a blender to make a cheesecake batter. You can also use a food processor or hand mixer on low speed. Add the melted butter and pulse until just combined. Next step is to prepare the pan. Line the bottom of 7-inch cake pan with a removable bottom with parchment paper. Coat the sides of the pan and the parchment paper with cooking spray. Pour the mixture into the prepared pan and use a back of a spoon or a measuring cup to firmly press down the crust. Freeze the crust for 20 minutes while you are prepare the filling. Wipe the food processor or blender bowl and the blades clean with a paper towel to remove any crumbs. Add the cream cheese, mango pulp, sugar and the flour and pulse until smooth for few seconds. You need mango puree to make this. Either you can use a puree out of fresh or frozen mangoes or use canned mango pulp, which is very easily available in Amazon or in Indian stores. I prefer Alfonso mango. Make sure cream cheese and eggs are at room temperature. Do not overmix. Add the eggs and yolk one at a time and pulse 1 or 2 times after each addition until just combined. Again, be careful, do not overmix. For my friends who don't eat eggs, I got you covered. Skip the 2 teaspoons of flour called in the recipe. Substitute eggs with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed in 2 tablespoons of water and 1/3 cup of sour cream. Follow the remaining recipe as is. Make sure do not overmix the batter. Gently stir the filling with the rubber spatula until well combined. The next step is to pressure cook. Pour the filling into the frozen crust. Tap the pan gently on the countertop so that any air bubbles in the batter rise to the surface. This helps to get a smoother surface. Cover the top of the pan with a paper towel and place the aluminium foil over the top, crimping down the foil around the sides of the pan to secure the paper towel in place. Add 1½ cup of water and place the pan on the rack in the Instant Pot. Close the lid and make sure that the vent is in the sealing position. Select the pressure cook or manual setting and set the cooking time for 37 minutes at high pressure. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Let the pressure release naturally. Open the pot and wear mitts and take out the trivet carefully. Remove the foil and paper towel. Do not worry if 1-inch circle in the middle of the cake is a little bit jiggly. The cake will continue to cook as it cools. Mine has an air bubbles on top. Anyway, I'm going to glaze it with a mango. You guys make sure to pop all the bubbles using the toothpick. Last but probably a very important tip is to have patience. Let the cheesecake sit on the counter for an hour to cool down gradually. Then chill it overnight or at least 8 hours for the best results. Believe me, this patience will be very rewarding when you bite into a slice of this mango chilled cheesecake. Do your favorite toppings and serve it cool. I'm going to do a mango panna cotta for topping. It's optional. To make this panna cotta, first in a bowl, add gelatin powder or agar-agar and 20 ml of water. Mix it thoroughly. Set it aside for 10 minutes. Then to a pot, add mango puree, sugar and water. Heat it up just to melt the sugar. Don't boil it. Now it's done. Gelatin is all bloomed. Add the gelatin as it is or warm it in the microwave for 10 seconds and add it. Mix it thoroughly. Let it cool down for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour the mixture gently to the chilled cheesecake. You can also just add the mango puree to glaze before serving the cheesecake. Decorating the cheesecake is always fun, that too especially with the mango cheesecake. I love to decorate with colors and fresh fruits. Let it refrigerate for a couple more hours. It's all set. Let's remove the pan gently. To remove the cheesecake from the pan, carefully run a butter knife around the inside edge of the pan and down the sides. If your pan is a push pan type, place it on the top of empty glass cup and gently push down on the top edge of the pan. Let's dig in. Wow, look at the creamy texture. It's so delicious. Cut into wedges and serve cold. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try the recipe at your home and give me your feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, write in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.